Knowing theory is good, but it's addition of practical skills that makes you great and unique. गाइज आपके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन जरूर होगा कि यूनिक ग्लोबल एजुकेशन हमारी CMA यूएस की प्रिपरेशंस कैसे कराएगी एंड हमें फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में एग्जाम क्लियर करने के लिए किस तरह से हेल्प करेगी। दोस्तों एक बात जरूर याद रखना कि हम ये एग्जामिनेशन में खास करके ग्लोबल सर्टिफिकेशन में फेल होना प्रेफर नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वी कांट अफोर्ड इट, क्योंकि एग्जामिनेशन फीस जो है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली $350 है। गाइज यूनिक अकेडमी हैज अ लेगेसी ऑफ टीचिंग मोर देन 1,50,000 स्टूडेंट्स एंड Unique Academy has group of professional faculties having combined teaching experience of more than 100 years. For CMA US exam preparation, it is really important to know how we're going to deliver our lectures. Our lecture delivery will be offline as well as live online, and live online mode will be interactive sessions where you can ask your doubt to your faculties and faculties can give answer to your questions. And just in case if you miss your lectures, you're going to have recorded sessions of all lectures with lifetime validity. Our lecture duration will be approximately of 3 hours Monday to Saturday. 10-12 तक तो रट्टा मार मार के पास हो गए, लेकिन it's a global certification, it's a professional course and it has importance of conceptual clarity. Unique Global Education has expertise of explaining each and every single topic with ultimate conceptual clarity. उतना ही नहीं, हम 100% syllabus आपका complete करेंगे approximately 300 hours में, and apart from that we're going to solve more than 2,000 MCQs and n number of essay type questions on board itself. So your regular syllabus will complete in approximately 300 hours. Now question ये रेज होता है कि सर अब इसको हमें अगर रिकलेक्ट करना है तो 30-40 आवर्स में किस तरह से रिकलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? तो उसी 300 आवर्स के सिलेबस को हम थरो रिवीजन सेशंस के थ्रू विल कंप्लीट इन 40 to 50 आवर्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन रेज होगा कि सर इसी 40-50 आवर्स के सिलेबस को हम 1 डे बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन 10 आवर्स में किस तरह से रिकलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? तो उसके लिए आपके 10 to 12 आवर्स के मैराथन सीरीज होंगे. इट्स अ परफेक्ट स्ट्रेटेजी टू क्लियर CMA US एग्जामिनेशन. फर्स्ट योर रेगुलर सेशंस ऑफ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 300 आवर्स, next your thorough revision session approximately of 40 to 50 hours, and last will be your 1 day before examination session, which is marathon session of approximately 10 to 12 hours with more than 2,000 MCQs and n number of essay type questions on board. On the top of this, definitely we're going to have n number of test series, mock test, doubt solving sessions, and one-to-one mentorship session to clear your problems. Students often ask me this question, sir, after clearing the exams, क्या हमें job मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी? I always say no. Because theory is not sufficient. To be employable, it is really important that you got to have certain practical corporate related skills. What does it mean? Knowing theory is good, but it's addition of practical skills that makes you great and unique. At Unique Global Education, we're not going to train you only for theory teaching, but also other practical related skills like Excel, Advanced Excel, Power BI, English communication, soft skills, corporate etiquettes, corporate grooming, how to write resume, how to face interviews, and also we provide 100% placement assistance. So this is the combination of theory and practical aspects that makes us great and unique, and your success is our first priority.